Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite all-time oatmeal recipe that me and John cannot live without. When I tell you, he is hard to please with, I guess, food flavor, but when he really likes something, he will let you know. And sometimes he'll even ask what I put into it to make sure that it's healthy because it tastes so good. So it does not use any artificial sweeteners. It's all natural ingredients. But it tastes so sweet and so good, you're gonna get so hooked on it. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna show you guys. What am I saying? So let's get right into it. This is what saves me time for meal prepping. It makes my mornings easier. I don't have to think about making oatmeal in the morning. I just pop one out of the freezer in my little cupcake shape and microwave it and put some toppings on and voila. So here it is. Alright, so the first thing we have to do is cut up some apples. I usually do about 10 apples. I keep the skin on, and I use, either like Gala, Honey Crisp, and then the yellow ones, I forget what they're called, but just a mixture of apples. You can use less or more depending on how applesaucey and how sweet you would like your oatmeal, but here I'm using 10. So I'm just adding some cinnamon, and then I'm going to be adding some water. I'm going to let the apples cook first before I do anything. Now I'm just pouring this into my Vitamix, and we're going to blend it till I make a puree. Now we're going to pour this mixture back into our Instant Pots. You can also use a slow cooker, I'm sure, by the way. And then I'm using old-fashioned oats. You do not want to use quick oats for this, just regular oats. And I'm using 5 cups. Next thing I'm going to add is some almond milk. I'm just using unsweetened. Feel free to use oat milk. Oat milk will probably make these a little bit creamier, or feel free to use just regular milk. So then I'm just adding chia seeds. I'm just kind of eyeing it out, and then I'm adding some flax seeds as well. Mix it all up. Once it's done cooking, which doesn't take a long time, I fill up my little cupcake trays, pop it in the freezer, and then I get them ready and put them in a Ziploc bag, and I have breakfast for a long time. How much do you love your oatmeal?
I love them so much. This is great because all I gotta do is grab 2 of these in the morning.
Your head's missing.
Well, look where you put it.
So tell everyone how much you love your oatmeal.
Dude, I really love these. I grab 2 in the morning and I put them in a bowl, and then I put them in the microwave, and I put them in my little thermos. I throw blueberries, grapes.
Sometimes almond butter.
But this is great because look, she puts them in these little cupcake trays.
They know that, they saw the video.
And then she puts them in these Ziploc bags. So.
And then he's happy.
I'm very happy. What about the beans?
Those are over there.
Bye.